As a complaint being filed with FDA, the inspection was conducted today at this base camp, which is supplying food for the trains, major trains leaving from Goa to various major destinations of the country. And today they have found very bad conditions, and notice have been issued to them that if they do not improve, they will have to shut down the entire operations. We are deeply disturbed that this kind of operations are going on in the state of Goa, and it's important that the railway authorities, whether it is Konkan Railway, whether it is South Central, South Western Railway, they need to take cognizance of the caterers, catering companies, and their subcontractors and the base stations where this food is being prepared. 7 days ago, the FDA team had visited here and given them an improvement notice. Asked the improvement notice, no action has been taken, so today they have issued them a stop work order. And the stop work order covers these 26 conditions, which if not implemented, they will not able to function from here. Units which are operating within their panchayat areas and are operating without licenses. It was shocking to note that there was no food license available with these people. For example, tiling, to get waste disposal, मागीर तेगे जनेलाची ती परिस्थिती जर पळयत जाल्यार इतली भयंकर सामकें उलोवपाचेंच न्हू, इतली कंडिशनाची परिस्थिती आसा. आतां मातशें तेंच्यांनी साफ सफाई केल्या हेचे वर्कर्स हांगा आहात ते.